What type of dress is long and flowing?
Which dress style is characterized by a fitted bodice and a flared skirt? What dress has a high collar that stands up on the neck? Which dress style is known for its off-the-shoulder neckline? What type of dress is form-fitting and often made of stretchy fabric? Which dress style features a cinched waist and a flared skirt that falls below the knee? What dress has a loose, straight silhouette that hangs from the shoulders? Which dress style has a fitted waistline that sits just below the bust? What type of dress is made of lightweight, sheer fabric and often has a high-low hemline? Which dress style features a full, voluminous skirt that extends below the knees? What dress has a fitted bodice and a skirt that flares out from the natural waistline? Which dress style has a halter neckline that ties at the back of the neck? What type of dress is characterized by its lace-up or corset-like front? Which dress style has a high-low hemline, shorter in the front and longer in the back? What dress has a fitted bodice, a flared skirt, and a defined waistline? Which dress style features a deep V-shaped neckline? What type of dress is loose-fitting and typically made of denim? Which dress style has a wrap-around design with a tie closure at the waist? What dress has a pleated skirt that falls below the knee?